Hey, there you are. Today is the Tipsy unboxing, part 1. Keep watching. Hey, so today is Sunday, and I'm doing an unboxing, but it didn't seem right to get drunk so early on a Sunday morning, so what I decided was a little tipsy unboxing might be a little bit more appropriate, so I put some Irish cream in my coffee. That's right, so if I seem a little off, that's why. All right, let's start with the first one. The first one is the Ipsy Glam bag. And the reason why I'm doing it this way, splitting it up into 2 videos, is because last video I got all of it in, but it just, to me, I thought it fell kind of flat. So I wanted to find a way to shorten things up, but give it a little bit of, punch, a little something, because just showing the products and just telling you good, no good, I don't know. It just didn't cut it for me, So this is the way we're going to do it this time. Ipsy Glam bag. Huda Beauty Lip Contour Trophy Wife. I love Huda Beauty. The color Trophy Wife is kind of a mauve color, it looks like. It's a little like a estate eyeshadow. I have never heard of estate eyeshadow. Let's see. This color is a reddish? Yeah, pretty. It's a very reddish color, but when you put it on, it doesn't go on as red. Well, it's like a lighter red. It's not a deep red. This is nice. The 2-in-1 Pore Clarifying Cleansing Gel. I don't see a brand on this. Shiro Science 2-in-1 Pore Clarifying Gel. I've never heard of Shiro Science. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I'm sure you've probably heard of It Cosmetics. Let's see. There. It Cosmetics. Rather expensive. To me, they're a little on the expensive side. Oil-free for all skin types. And last, for the Ipsy Glam bag, is this Be Yourself Incredible Self with Nails Ink. Never heard of this brand either. This is a pretty neutral shade though. I mean, it's like a pinky, can you see it? It's like a pinky nude. A cross between pink and nude, I would call it. Nice. All right, for a $10 bag, I think I got my money's worth out of this one. Okay, next up is the Allure bag. It came in a green pouch this time. And these are, they look like they're all minis. I don't think there's a full size in here. There's a full size product. Benefit Their Real Mascara. Heard about it, never used it. Cargo Essential Lip Color. What color is the essential lip color? Okay. Oh, it's taped. That's nice. Not. And the other side is taped. I'm sorry, guys. Oh. Okay, it's a nice color. Obviously it's not me. It's pretty deep, but it's a nice color for some. It's almost like a brown. Yeah, it's more brown than red. Alpine Berry Winter Cream, Hydrate and Glow. All right, it's a skincare product. Primera is the brand. Another one, never heard of. It's a cream. Smells okay. Seems okay. The reason why I'll tell you, the reason why I smell things is because a lot of times companies put fragrance, and that's okay. Fragrance is okay, but when they list the ingredients on the product, under fragrance, they're not required to give the ingredients. So that's kind of a way for them to sneak in some ingredients that they really don't want you to know that they're putting in there. So keep that in mind. If you can buy something that you want unscented, you might be better off. Okay, next up, Larizzi Liquid Beam Multipurpose Liquid Illuminator. And the color is Topaz. So it's liquid illuminator. It's like it's something that's for all over. It didn't specify. Okay, liquid beam. So I would think this would be good for either eyes or a highlighter. It's a like a goldish, no, champagne. I would call this champagne. Yeah. I don't know if you can you see it at all? A little bit, yeah. It's subtle, it's nice, it's subtle, it's not too bright. You know how some highlighters are really like a flashlight almost. They're way bright, but this is nice. This is not like that. This makeup eraser, I've been dying to get my hands on this. It is free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrance, and sulfites. Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Great for sensitive skin, saves money. Erase all makeup with just water. It's just a little strip of fabric, and you put a little water on it, and apparently it takes off all your makeup. I think it's a great idea if it works. I have to let you know about that, but I have heard of this makeup eraser, this is the mini size, mini makeup eraser. I think it's a great idea. Okay. Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream with mulberry root and ginseng, native to China. Okay. Let me open it up and tell you about the fragrance. It's about all I can tell you about it. You know, skincare products really is how they smell. Oh, look at this. So is this an eye product? It did not specifically. Yes, it does. Triple Action Eye Cream. Yeah. I don't smell anything. No smell. Feels nice. Don't know. Like it. I like it. Okay, next. Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. I've heard of Erno Laszlo. It's more of a premier brand. I have not read or heard anything about this, but eye mask. Okay, I'll try it. I'll have to let you know. All right, hang on. 1 box left. Okay, now we're up to the last one, the Medusa makeup box. I don't know if you remember, but for the last couple months, they've been sending me their box with these like promos in there saying it's our birthday in August. We're gonna send you free gifts on our birthday in August. And it was funny that they did that because right about then I was thinking about canceling, but now I gotta wait till August to see what the free products are. It's their birthday, they're celebrating, and you know, happy birthday box, and they show you everything that's in here. Also on the back it shows the eyeshadow glitter glam, their new glitter glam, and vegan hair dye. If anyone's interested in vegan hair dye, okay. See? Okay, it's in a gold color. I have to be honest, the gold isn't my favorite for eyeshadow, liquid or dry. I do use it sometimes. Not my first pick though. Raw organic facial wipes with organic aloe and green tea. Okay, I like that this is in a pouch. You can take it with you. Throw it in your purse on the go. Ooh, glitter mystique. Look how pretty that is. Love glitter. Pretty. It is. It's a very pretty color. It's like shade shifting. It looks like it's blue, but then you turn your hand and it changes to like a yellowy green color. It's very, very pretty. The reason why I put it on my palm is because glitter like this doesn't usually stick. There's a special primer you have to put on for the glitter to stick. But this is still a very nice shade. I like it. It's pretty. Okay, not so bad. I don't know. I'll hang in there one more month with the Medusa and we'll see how it goes. It's that Medusa is always a hit or miss, but I like that it's vegan and I like some of the colors they have in shadow. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's the Tipsy unboxing part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. It's coming right up. See ya.